Here we have the making of an amazing deck.
Tap away, I guess.
The cement has been folded perfectly. The leisure board has been hung and leveled.
Look at tapping stick.
And Paul lost his tapping stick.
Tapped it. Here it is.
We did not need the air.
Oh, look at that.
I can't wait till the finished product. Now it's time to go to the beach and take a bath.